I am going to be putting together this 1,000 piece holiday collection puzzle. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open up the puzzle box and I'm going to empty out all the puzzle pieces. This is a buffalo puzzle, and buffalo puzzles come with a poster. And this is the poster of the puzzle that I will be putting together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate my puzzle pieces. I'm going to take out all the puzzle pieces that have edges, the straight edge. I'll put it on this side. And then the other pieces I'll put on this side. So I'm going to separate them and I will be right back. Okay, so I separated my puzzle pieces. I have my non-edges there, and then I have my puzzle pieces. These are the edges, which is going to be the frame of the puzzle. So I'm going to start putting these pieces together, and then I will come back and let you see the progress. On the puzzle frame, this is what I've completed so far. So when I come back, I will show the completed puzzle frame. Okay, the puzzle frame is complete, as you can see, and here's all my pieces over here on this side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at my puzzle box and see what stands out. And I see the light post, the moon. So what I'm going to do is go over here and pull out, say, my yellow pieces, my white pieces. Yeah, I'll go through and pull these out, and then I'll be back. I have here those yellow pieces here, and then I have the white pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that, and then I will be back. So this is my progress. I completed the light for the top of the light post, and this is the moon. And these pieces here, I believe it belongs to the snowman. So what I'm going to do is go over to my puzzle pieces. I see lots of browns, reds, and I'm going to pull those out. And then I will be back. I want to show the pieces that I pulled out. I said I was going to pull out some of the red pieces and some of the brown and yellow pieces. So as you can see, I still have some in there in my puzzle pile. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start working on what I have here, and I will come back with my progress. Okay, I want to show my progress. I did most of the reds, the scarf, part of the barn, the sled, and you see the truck here. I have some, this is the house, I guess, on the top of the chimney. Yes. And then I still have these pieces over here, so I'm going to go ahead and keep working on it, and I will come back with my progress. Okay, as you can see, I completed some more of the puzzle. I have this big wheel over here, the scarf for the snowman, part of the barn, chimney to the barn, and over here, as you can see, I completed most of the sled. So I'm stuck because I don't know where these pieces go. So I'm going to go over here to my puzzle pile, and I'm going to pull out pieces like the browns and the reds that left over, the yellows. And what I'm going to do is pull those out, and I will be back. Okay, I am back. And as you can see, I did pull out some more pieces. And all these pieces is just going to fill in what I couldn't find earlier. It'll just help me keep putting the puzzle together. Then I also found some fences pieces, so they'll probably go over here to help me complete the fence. So I'm going to work on that, and then I will be back. The puzzle is looking more complete. I finished putting in all the pieces that I pulled from my puzzle pile. So you have the sled, the fence. There's a tractor that goes here. And then part of my snowman is still missing. So I'm stuck right now. So I'm going to go pull some more pieces out my puzzle pile. Probably the darker grayish pieces so I can finish putting in the barn. I'm going to pull those pieces out and I will be back. Okay, I want to show the pieces that I pulled from my puzzle pile, and that's these pieces here, the darker pieces that I'm going to try to do the barn, finish the barn. And I also pulled out some pieces from the puzzle pile that looks like they go at the bottom of the puzzle. So I am going to be working on those two piles, and when I come back, I'll show you what I complete. So far, I've completed the barn, and I did some of the tractor and built in some of the fence here. Also, there's Santa's sleigh and his reindeers in the sky. So now I'm going to go ahead and start working on these pieces, and I will be back. I have completed the bottom part where the snow is, and right now I'm stuck because these pieces, I don't know where they go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate my pieces. I'm going to pull out all the white pieces and separate those, and then I'll come back. I have separated the remaining puzzle pieces. So I'm going to start working on the lighter pieces, which is the snowman and the bottom part of the puzzle. And then I'll continue and work at the top. So I will be back and I'll show you my progress. The snowman is complete. So now I'm going to finish doing the rest of the bottom of the puzzle, which are these pieces here. So I'm going to continue to put those pieces in where they belong, and then I will be back. The bottom of the puzzle is complete. I finished putting in the pieces where the snow. Now I have these pieces left over here, which is the sky and more snow. So I'm going to put those pieces in, and when I come back, I will show you the completed puzzle. The holiday puzzle is complete. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to show. Happy holiday, and thank you for watching. The holiday puzzle is complete. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to show. Happy holiday, and thank you for watching.